how to turn off Facebook notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off Facebook notifications on iPhones, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn off notifications for the Facebook app on your iPhone, all you have to do is open settings, then go to notifications. Then from notifications look for Facebook and then tap on it, and then just turn off the toggle next to Facebook here. And you'd have disabled the notifications. Now I'll just leave it on because I'm just showing it for tutorial purpose, but you want to make sure to leave that off. And once you do that, under the Siri tab you will find an option called Siri Suggestions. So tap on Siri Suggestions here, and from here again look for the Facebook application and turn off the toggle next to Facebook here, and then notifications for Facebook will be successfully disabled on your iPhone. So this way you can turn off Facebook notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.